know what's cool about Atlas Copco?
No, let's go and find out.
So what's cool about manufacturing?
Everything!
What got you into manufacturing?
I've always kind of liked taking apart things and building things, starting with Legos to kitchen appliances that I could take apart as a kid. So I always kind of wanted to do something like that. I think it was just a drive to want to see how things worked, and that kind of helped me fit where I am today.
What is the coolest thing that you make at Atlas Copco?
I did a compressor design some years ago for a company. That compressor is located in French Guiana. That's where the European Space Agency launches their Ariane rockets from. And that compressor is part of the fueling system for that rocket.
What is the coolest thing you make?
Oil off gas compressors from LNG freighters. And it used to be the freighter would have to off gas because of the change of pressures. But we have the technology that we manufacture here that actually captures that LNG and uses it as propulsion to move the freighter.
What makes Atlas Copco different from other mass manufacturing companies?
We do everything start to finish. We do everything in-house from concept to finished products.
Atlas Copco is a company really dedicated to sustainability, leaving the world a better place than we found it. There's all sorts of initiatives about reducing our carbon footprint.
So what is Atlas Copco?
Atlas Copco is a manufacturer of centrifuge compressors.
What is your favorite thing about working for Atlas Copco?
It's the custom engineered aspect. Every day is something different. Every customer has different challenges. I've been doing this for 20 years and I still think I learn something every day.
I've been with Atlas for 3 years now, but I started as an intern.
Do you see yourself working here in the future?
Yeah, I do. This is actually a pretty cool company, and I think the work environment is really nice, and there's a lot of nice people here.